Hello everybody, and welcome to another Saturday Scribbles episode. This week I will show you how to draw 3 different kinds of boba tea doodles. And if you don't know what boba tea is, it is just tea or coffee that has little tapioca balls in it. Sometimes they're flavored, sometimes they're not. You can also have other toppings or stir-ins. I'm not sure what you call them. Like delicious grass jelly. Yes, please. Or they have like popping bubbles now that have lychee juice and stuff like that. Delicious. So I had that on the brain, which is why I decided to draw these. I have 3 different cup shapes. The first cup shape is your pretty standard basic plastic cup. And one thing when you're drawing these is to remember the straws are going to be bigger than the average straw because they have to suck up the boba. And also one thing to note with all of these is you want a small gap between where the liquid is in the cup and the actual side of the cup. This just adds another dimension to the drawing rather than have it all just in there. That's not to say that you can't draw the liquid right next to the edge, but this just adds a little more dimension. And you can add as many or as few bubbles as you want. This next cup is more like a little glass, and I was thinking more in terms of an iced latte with bubbles. More sophisticated, if you will. But the concepts are the same. You want a thick straw, you don't want the liquid to touch the edge, and you want to show off the boba naturally. They are the star of this. As delicious as the teas or coffees or fruit drinks are, the boba are the star. It's a snack and a drink all in one. And it's okay if your boba are not completely round, because you can just say like, oh, my drawing represents handmade boba, so of course they're not going to be perfect. This last doodle is my favorite because I was thinking of very specific bubble tea drink, like a nice taro milk tea, and then some kind of red bean syrup coming down with some whipped cream on top, like really just 100% that thing. So this is the more extravagant one of the 3. However, I will say, if you go on Pinterest and look up bubble tea art, there are so many amazing things that you can do when drawing bubble tea. People have done like galaxies inside. They've made like animals in there. I saw one that instead of having the bubbles, it had Pokemon, which was awesome. So if you enjoy drawing this, or you enjoy this kind of art, definitely look into that. It will probably make your whole day. And when it comes to coloring, I just used colored pencil, but by all means, try different things, see what marker looks like. You could even paint with the tea. Just saying. I've done it before. It's fun, and it works with what you have. So if you don't have paint around, but you want to see what it looks like, just wait till you're almost done with your drink, or wait till you're done with your drink, and then dip something in there and get to painting. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you draw lots of bubble teas. See you next time. P.S. Don't forget to sign up for summer reading.